Welcome to the limiting sum of a geometric series. So on your formula sheet, you have a S equals A over 1 minus R. That is for a limiting sum or a sum to infinity. The R value must be between minus 1 and 1, so that it converges or gets smaller. So for our first example, show that the following series has a limiting sum and then find it. So 9 plus 3 plus 1. So for the series, A, the first term is equal to 9, and the ratio is 3 over 9, which is a third. And because that's between minus 1 and 1, it's a limiting sum. So using our formula, the sum equals A over 1 minus R is 9 over 1 minus a third, which is 13.5. For our second example, we're going to find an expression for the limiting sum. So 10 plus 10x plus 10x squared. And then secondly, we're going to be told, or we're told that the limiting sum equals to 20, and hence we're going to solve an equation to find the value of x. So for the first part, find an expression for that limiting sum, 10 plus 10x plus 10x squared. First term is 10, the ratio is x, giving us a sum to infinity of 10 over 1 minus x. So if the limiting sum equals to 20, and we want to find the value of x, where the sum to infinity, or the limiting sum is, we put the 20 equals to 10 over 1 minus x, and then we solve it. Now, one of our rules that we've learnt before when solving a fraction is that you can just switch them across. So 1 minus x is equal to 10 over 20. Subtracting the 1 from both sides gives you minus x equals minus a half. So x equals a half. Thank you.